Hello guys, as we had told you yesterday that we'll be putting the answer key out because it is taking time to get all the solutions and explanations, because we just don't want to give you Googled solutions. We want to show you that from our test series what all pointers came, from our lectures what all pointers came. So it is taking a little bit time. Okay, so that is why in the meanwhile I thought if we give the answer key which we feel, or even though there are at least 8 to 10 controversial questions also where it's doubtful. Okay, so that will be still there, but whatever is there which can help you cross verify, I wanted to give you. Okay, so again I'm telling, it'll be just reading out the questions and giving the answers, and this video will be only 1 to 50 MCQs, and then I'll do the next episode also. So this is one interesting picture one of my student sent me from Kerala. So this is I found it funny. This is the status actually for every coaching institute, every mentor. UPSC, whoever is setting the history question paper, I think it's a very senior professor or someone who is having that much enthusiasm in history, factual things that he's putting out every year, different terms which you may or may not study. Okay, 99% you would not have heard it. Okay, it might be there in Satish Chandra textbook or R. Sharma textbook somewhere inside, but it is not there in other usual studies and usual MCQs or test series. So and I told you have to skip those questions if you don't know. So this is one of the type of question which you had to skip. Okay, here I'll tell you the answer for this question also. This is there in this video only. So this is Aadhaar Act. Related to Act also we told at least questions will come, 8 to 10 questions were supposed to come, and I think around 5 or 6 have come. Okay, which if you had studied certain Act you could have solved. So this Aadhaar Act, it's again very factual, very difficult question. Only thing easy here was the Aadhaar is mandatory for obtaining insurance product. That is not true. You could have eliminated that, and then C and D will go away. Then you have 1 and 4 only and 2 and 4 only. So 4 is true, that is consolidated fund. Now this 1 and 2, if you see, if you go and read the Aadhaar Act, it is like this Metadata Act. It is it cannot be stored more than 6 months. It is not 3 months. So because of that, the answer is 2 and 4 only. 1 is false. Okay, that's a very factual, very difficult question. I agree, and that is why this year's exam many students found it very difficult. Okay, but serious aspirants expected this kind of difficulty level. Then this Rajya Sabha has equal powers with Lok Sabha. This is a thing which I think everybody studies in our test series also to be there. So there are 4 or 5 things which shows equal powers and which shows Lok Sabha has more power and all. So here amending the constitution will be the answer. Okay, all the other things are not the ones, because equal powers will not be there. If you see cut motions also, it's a Lok Sabha thing. Removal of government also, Lok Sabha will have more power. All India services, Rajya Sabha thing. Okay, so like this only quickly I will tell, because detailed explanations, pictures, slides and all I'll show in the next video. So here answer is B. Next question, MP Lads Fund, which was an expected question. We had at least 6 to 7 questions already in this topic in various tests, in polity, in schemes, in full test, everywhere it was there. And here I think it was very easy, this question, only the third one. If you see this carry forward, okay, it can be actually carry forward. So this cannot be carried forward is false, and it's written in the MPLAD file. If you Google, you will get the government PDF. In that, all the other 3 statements you will find, but you will not find this one. Okay, you will find it, but in the other way. Okay, like it can be, district can carry forward the fund. So 3 is false. Then which are the following categories of fundamental rights incorporates protection against untouchability? This question, if you did not solve, then I don't know what you prepared for this exam. This is something which blindly you should have done it. Right to equality. Okay, article number 17, untouchability. Then this is again separation of judiciary. This is again one of the easiest questions. That is why polity, if you had done 10-15 questions, there itself you get 30 marks, and you have a higher chance of clearing the cutoff. Okay, if you have done the basics. So this again is DPSP. Okay, because this is separation of judiciary from institute. I think it's article number 50, and it's listed everywhere in Lakshmikant. It's there in my test series. It is there. So here the answer is DPSP. Answer B. Then next one, along with the budget, finance minister places documents. So this is one document, macroeconomic framework statement. Like the 2 more are there. Okay, so that 3 statements are given under FRBM Act. In FRBM Act, I had given detailed notes this time in my economics and full test, because I told question was expected. Okay, in prelims and mains it was expected. We gave detailed notes, and this is direct question. Okay, answer D. Constitutional government by definition is a what? Okay, so here again, you know, constitutional government means there is a constitution which we have to follow. That means that powers are limited. So the answer here will be limited government. Okay, like that logic you have to apply, because everything will be true only for, if you take example as India and then start thinking, you will feel like everything is true. But that is not what you have to do. You have to see the question what it is demanding. It's asking for constitutional government, so it has a limitation. Okay, it can work within the constitution boundaries. Now this fundamental right, this is again a common sense question. If you like you don't have to study what is Universal Declaration of Human Rights and all. It will obviously have everything related to human rights, and you should know what is there in preamble, what is there in DPSP, what is there in fundamental duties. Everywhere something is there which tells about your rights. Okay, right to education. Okay, right to education is there in all these 3. From there itself you will get all those things. Okay, in preamble already fundamental rights is given in question. Then preamble also you have all these things, equality, that thing, everything which is for humans rights. It's there in all 3 places. So answer should be D 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now this is a very tricky question, because simple thing is that this extreme statement you can eliminate, all senior citizens you can eliminate, and this member of OBC 3 lakh income is just a made up statement just to make this in sync 1 2 3. They just put up the statement, and this first one, annual income 1 lakh, is one thing which everybody teaches you, because in the NALSA Act, which is there since long time, it is there. But this transgender versus NALSA case was there, and that's where this question was asked. And Delhi government already had this transgender clause like 2 lakh, below 2 lakh. But national government, I still don't know whether it's implemented or not. But by eliminating 3 and 4, directly you get the answer as A, 1 and 2 only. Okay, because there is no choice like 1 only. If there was 1 only, then maybe we could have discussed about 1 only. But transgender below 2 lakh is already there in Delhi Union Territory, and the national level also. I think a case was won recently, and transgender was considered under that, and it is true. Okay, that is why this answer should be 1 and 2. Now this is again a very easy question, but it's a very older current affair. All these things are like 2011, 2006, 2014, many older summits which we have covered. Actually, in my older current affair, it's there, and 90% of my students did not buy the older current affair. 2016 to 18 current affair, all these 4 conventions are there. In my revision chart, the first 2 conventions are there. Okay, so Alma Ata Health is true. And this Talnova, this thing, global climate, is true. 1 and 3 is the answer for this, because Hague Convention is something related to child rights. Okay, that is given here under 2 coalition. And under 2 coalition, I think in the full test 10, which I gave to my students 3 days before the exam for final practice, in that also I put this question: what is under 2 coalition? Okay, because in India 2 states have participated in it. I think Chhattisgarh and Telangana or something. You can go and confirm. But I taught you at 3 different occasions. This is there in my test series. So this was a very easy question, and answer should be 1 and 3 only. Okay, because Hague is different, and under 2 coalition is also different. Parliamentary system. This I think is a repeated question. Last year also they asked it. So here polity, whenever they ask, they are asking definitions like what is cabinet form, what is bureaucracy, what is presidential form. So you just have to read the options and choose the best one. Like last year they asked about liberty, what is the best definition, where in options 2 answers were right, but they wanted the best definition, and they took the positive definition of liberty. So here if you see, the government is responsible to the parliament and can be removed by it. That is why it is parliamentary system. Okay, it's elected by people is what? It is democracy. Then government is chosen by the parliament but cannot be removed is wrong. Then all political parties are represented in the government. This is also wrong. Okay, all political parties need not be there. So that is why this is very commonsensical question. The exam hall you have to read, and within 1 minute you will get the answer. Now welfare state. This one I think 4th time they are asking the same thing. Okay, like socio-economic democracy, welfare state, DPSP. This is like the first line in every textbook. Wherever you read DPSP, this welfare state will be printed along with it. So this is like simply giving you 2 marks bonus. Okay, anybody who goes to the exam hall, even if you don't study anything, only basics Lakshmikant you did, still you will get 2 marks. Okay. Now next one. This one is again little bit tricky and controversial, because the basic structure definition, this is wrong. 1 is anywhere wrong. But answer keys at various mentors, various tutors, everybody are discussing various things, because judicial review is actually not mentioned in the constitution or defined in the constitution. But there is, I think, article 13, then one more article is there where the scope of judicial review kind of thing is mentioned. Okay, now indirectly. So here provides for, we don't know what UPSC is trying to tell, provides for. Okay, whether it actually defines, mentions, or simply it has a scope for it. So if it's just a scope they are referring to, then 2 can be right. Okay, because that is what judicial review is. But else mentioning and clearly defining, then answer should be D. Okay, so this is what we can tell you as of now. But as I told, 2-3 days I need for more research. By that time I'll come up with more proof for it. Okay, whether anywhere explicitly it is mentioned about exactly, because UPSC would have taken these statements from somewhere only. They don't sit and type something. They would have taken from some article or somewhere. So we'll see whether we get the source for this. Then one common agreement between Gandhism and Marxism. This again, if you see, everything can be partially true. So A and B has the highest chances. B has the highest chances. But again, when we had a discussion here and this thing, we are thinking like both can be true, because Gandhi and Marx both were with the class struggle, and both had this. In some articles are there like Gandhi towards stateless society. There is a big PDF available on the internet. So Marxism also mentioned that. So A and B has the highest chances, and as of now we'll go with A. Okay, unless I come up with more proof for this, we'll consider A and less likely B. The next one is bureaucracy. Bureaucracy, obviously you are preparing for that only. So bureaucracy is like an agency for implementation of public policy. Okay, that is what you are going to do, implement the policies. Then the preamble to the Constitution of India is, okay, this is again a little bit tricky, because if you see, not part you can eliminate, then part of the Constitution and has same legal effect as any other part. That will not be true, because fundamental rights are there, which has a more powerful thing. So same legal effect, other part cannot be there. A and D are same thing, but they added little bit twist there. One is a part of Constitution which has no legal effect, which will be false. Okay, which should be false. Okay, and a part of the Constitution but has no legal effect independently of other parts. Okay, so independently of other part means it will not have anything special compared to other thing, but no legal effect is also false. So highest probability here the answer will be D. Okay, as per our understanding of statement A and D, when we deeply think into it, okay, that is what we predict it as of now, but we'll see when the answer key comes. Then this one is a direct question, reverse trans. We have, whenever we study what are this IMF systems, credit systems, what all they give to different countries, and what is the system they maintain, voting share, all these things, we study this concept. So it's a direct question. Usually UPSC asks everything related to WTO. This time they took something about IMF. So that's a good change which they did. Now question number 18, again part 4 of the constitution, that is again DPSP. So, and this is again blunder kind of thing they did, like they shall be enforceable by court, they shall not be enforceable by court. So obviously you will know one of them only will be true. Okay, and only thing you have to know is part 4 is DPSP. If you don't have that much minimum common sense or basic studies, then you will find it difficult. Else is a direct question like what is DPSP related to. Okay, first thing is it's not enforceable, and this thing like state will be influenced while making laws. That is the meaning of it. DPSP means what? Directive principles for state policy. So when state has to design a policy, they have to consider DPSP. So that's a direct definition they have given. So 2 and 3 will be the answer. That is answer D. Now, according to Constitution of India, a person who is eligible to vote can be made a minister. This one, everyone telling like it is true, but it's actually false. Okay, it's not eligible to vote. Eligible to vote means 18 years old. Becoming a minister or MP is a higher age. So that will not be true. This second half is true only. Second half means you can like be made a minister for 6 months even without winning the election and all. Even without becoming the member. Okay. So, but eligible to vote, so people will believe into it or fall into UPSC's trap. It's actually false. Okay. And this representation of people like this is also false. I have to cross check again one more time the number of years and this permanently disqualified. So that will be there in the act anyway. It's a direct question. So here answer is D. Then the President of India can summon, that should be true, A should be true, and I think A and 1 and 3 should be, yeah, 1 and 3. Okay. Now this again, these kind of questions, if you have never heard, please skip it. We are not expecting you that you would have studied this, and it is totally fine. Okay, medieval history questions, 4 or 5 questions comes, you should be ready to skip that. Okay, and you should go for the next 80 to 90 questions for your cutoff. Okay, these things, explanations, please wait for my videos, because I don't want to give you some vague definitions now and why it is wrong and all. But this is the answer key which we feel as of now. This again in my latest PDF also explained. In my daily revision quiz we did this. Okay, daily quiz I showed you what is Sthavirava, then what is Mahayana Buddhism. There are around 20 sects under Buddhism. All 20 names I showed you. So you could have solved this question easily. Okay. So here it is 2 and 3 only. Next question, which are the following state this thing about industrial evolution. So this one in spectrum it is directly there, but again problems are there. People are overthinking the question and then confusing, because one more similar question will come. I'll show you. So Indian handicrafts were ruined. That is true. Machines were introduced in India. Obviously it will be false. Railway lines, many parts, that will be like, it's like during the first half of the 19th century. Okay, before 1850s. So railways is yet to come. Then heavy duties imposed on imports. That will be again wrong, because India was like a market, so they kept on sending the things to India. So answer should be A as per by elimination. And this one again is a chronology, but a very difficult chronology I would say, because the kingdoms usually UPSC don't ask their timeline, but we had covered it in test series and R.S. Sharma, Satish Chandra, everywhere. So if you had studied when these kingdoms came and died, you could have known it. Okay, answer is C, 2413. Okay, Pallava, I think it will be around 600 AD, 600, 700, 800 and 900 AD. Okay, they have taken 100 years gap for all these 4 events. 2413 will be 600 AD, 700 AD, 800 AD and 900 AD. Around, okay, around I am telling. Then this one is again, it's there in the textbook. It is there in Harsha. I think I taught you in ancient history around 600 AD, 700 AD. That time it was told it should be bill of exchange. I'll show you the textbook screenshot after 2 days. Then this is a very difficult question and very unwanted question which UPSC have asked. So here there is some doubt because I have to again search, because it's not there in standard textbooks. But in my test series, I think something about this personality I have mentioned. So I have to go and research again. But everything looks true. Okay. Only thing is this person is a Maharashtrian, and this book is about, this publication is about Bengalis. So that is why most people thought that third will be false. It cannot be Bengal, and then eliminate 3 and answer 1 and 2. So many people, even now coaching institutes are telling answer is A. But if you Google it, you will see this is related to, this book publication is related to Bengali only. So 3 should be true. And that is why 2 and 3 looks true. But 1 we have to again confirm. It should be true. That's why I told D. But we will still do more research and get back to you. Now, Gandhi-Irwin Pact, a direct spectrum question, so it was not accepted, the third one. So that is there in my spectrum lecture. I'll show you the screenshot in the next video. But again, I have to just cross-check. As I told, this video is just to give you the quick answer key so that you can calculate your marks. Then this again very difficult question. Standard books it's not there, but if you Google you will get it like Gopal Baba Valankar. Okay, I gave a PDF table with all the books and authors. Let me go and check whether I have covered it in my test series. Else it's a very difficult question for you. This is the one which we showed in the cover page also of this video, the thumbnail. It's measurement of land. Okay, so when you Google it, you will get it, but I am not sure from exactly which textbook they took. Somewhere I have read this, so I have to go and cross check whether it is Satish Chandra or maybe a third book which we have not usually taught lectures from. And this one is there. It's this Ashoka pillars and Ashoka edicts. We have given you a revision chart also. So here Ashoka is the answer. It's a direct question if you studied your ancient history properly. It's there in that standard, all standard textbook. This paragraph is mentioned. Paramitas again, I don't think you would have studied, but it's again there in textbooks, and I think in one of my tests also. As I told, I am compiling the thing, so it's relating to this attainment led to the Bodhisattva path. And this Rakmabai, actually this personality I think was there in one of the Google pages also one day, and it was expected 2 years back, this question, but here answer should be 1, 2 and 3 I believe, because all the women related these things were there in that. But again, we'll confirm you again. Okay, everything will be double checked. This is the first view because exam got over on October 4 and I'm getting continuous messages telling like, please tell your review, tell your answer key, what do you feel. So this is just that initial impression alone. I cannot give more details to it now. Indigo cultivation in India declined by. So this again, there are two chances. B is like mentioned in spectrum, and the reason for indigo cultivation declining is also there, like peasant resistance. But by the beginning of 20th century means 19 something. So Gandhiji arrived, 1915. This Champaran is there. Indigo cultivation problem is there. Teen Katya system was removed. Peasants resistance was indeed there. But again, indigo cultivation declining later. This thing was also there, and for like new invention comes, synthetic material comes. So we'll go with B now because it's mentioned in textbook, but the reason of A is also there. Okay, this again, as I told, one reason for this exam being little bit difficult this year because there are two answers which looks true. This again one example. Here also two things are true. This revive interest in Oriental learning is also true, and he wanted to train British civilians for administrative purpose also true. So when you do Wikipedia search now, what you get is the answer looks D. Okay, but it's controversial because if you see, this is the page, Fort William College, which was initially established for this thing, training the British officials in Indian languages. Okay, so British civilians administrative, so it should be true. But later it turned out into a place of teaching and Oriental learning and Indian languages, everything, all those things. So we will go with D because that is the initial purpose, but B is also true in context of this thing. But because it's not like a 1, 2, 3 type question and you have to select only one, we have to wait for the answer key. This is a direct question in every textbook, including spectrum. It is mentioned. I'll show you proof from my test series also. 3 different MCQs are there about all these things, but this Birsa Munda is also detailedly covered. The same statement was there in my test series. Okay, both these keywords. Then this is very easy question, one of the easiest question in medieval India which came, because Chandragupta's 9 gems are there, 9 people. In that Amarasimha is also there, Kalidasa is also there. So if you eliminate 1 and 2 directly, you will get the answer 3 only. Okay. It's a very direct question. Revision chart is also there, test series is also there, lecture is also there. So this you should not have made a mistake. Then this one, pro-nuclear transfer, again students were confused between A and D because both are related to this offspring, like baby, designer baby you can call. Okay, that is a term which newspaper quoted, like you can make designer babies with certain traits, with no diseases and all those things. And it's there in my 2016 to 18 current affair and also in my science test, I believe, set number 3. It should be there. Students go and confirm. Okay, simply search pro-nuclear transfer in my test series, you will get it. Okay, you will get a PDF, and in that I think I have mentioned this only, like mitochondrial disease in the newborn baby. So that is what is mentioned here. So answer should be D. Then artificial intelligence, I told you, blind guess method. Science, whenever a future technology something is asked, go and blindly put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there will be nothing which will be false. And again, it is same here. Many questions were there. This is again this thing, but here because of, if you see, there is no 1, 2, 3, 4. So obviously one of them you have to eliminate. So which one you will eliminate? If you see this electromagnetic spectrum, I taught you everything, including from gamma rays till microwave radiation. A trick also I told you how to by heart all the spectrum, wavelength and frequency and all. So 1 is true, 2 is true, 4 is true. Okay, because that is a major application. VLC have no interference, and so it's used in hospitals and all. So 4 is also true, and 3, 1 is like, if you can simply use infrared example and check. Okay, infrared which you had in your old Nokia phones, and then now you have Bluetooth and other things. So VLC is which having the visible light, where red color is also there. So VLC can transmit large amount of data faster than Bluetooth. That's an extreme statement. If you eliminate 3, you will get the answer as Sorry, let me see this. Here I have marked it incorrectly. Here answer, I think it should be 1, 2 and 4. Okay, 1, 2 and 4. 3 you have to eliminate, because 4 is true. Long range optical wireless communication, that also should be true. Electromagnetic spectrum, this also should be 1, 2 and 4 should be true. It's asking for correct, right? Yeah, it's asking for correct. I think it's a typo. Okay, so we believe the answer key is 1, 2 and 4, not 1, 3 and 4. If it's 1, 3 and 4, then we have to make 2 as false. So this is my answer key, 1, 2 and 4. Okay, but still, if any other controversy you have, you can still post in comment section. We can discuss on that. Then blockchain technology, it was expected and it is asked 2-3 times already. So here, if you see, this only keyword was there. With that also you could have done. Okay, would have eliminated that. And 1 only and 1 and 3 only. This is where the controversy is. But I think we don't have that kind of blockchain related rules and all in India as of now, and in globally also. So people are developing a lot of things under blockchain technology. It's not only about cryptocurrency. So it should be 1 and 3 only. And carbon nanotube, again science application kind of thing, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, whenever a thing is there which is used in some technological thing, an option is there, 1, 2, 3, 4, blindly do it. You are not here to become a scientist or something. Please do it every time it works. Again, same thing, 1, 2, 3. Okay, because it's asking about drone. Where all you can use drone. Drone can be used anywhere where this vertical lift is there, top view viewing is there. Any kind of such applications, if you see it fits into that example, it will be true. Okay, so it's 1, 2, 3. Now this is again a current affair which you had to study. So it is evolved LISA, where 3 planes are there, equilateral triangle. I think we have an image also in my test series. All these 4 are there in my test series, but I have to sit and search now to give you the proof of where we taught you. Then genetic changes can be introduced in cells, and this thing also 1, 2, 3 science. Okay, but here again some materials and PDF I saw that 3 is not true. It should be 1 and 2, but there is no option called 1 and 2. So because they had to eliminate 3, then they told answer is 1 only. So such things are also going on, but we think the answer is 1, 2, 3. But let's do more research. But this is our point of view now. Now this is a very interesting question, because from 2016-17 onwards, this is there in very much in news, and now because corona is going on and all, so one vaccine or virus related question was expected. So this 1 and 2, even in our test series, it is there in 2 different MCQs. I have already checked it yesterday, and this is a very extreme statement, like vaccine has no side effect and no allergy. So this one, even if nobody teaches you, it's a very extreme and you should have eliminated it. Okay, and if you Google now, you will get it. Like there is no vaccine or medicine in this world which has like no side effect and no allergy. Something will have at least something for few people. I'm not telling for everyone. Rare cases will be there. 1 out of 1,000, 1 out of million people will have some rashes on their body or some other speech disability. Something will happen. That is how the medicine system works. So 3 you should have eliminated, and answer is 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2 is there in my test series. It is there. Public key infrastructure, again in current affair it was there. So it is A, digital security infrastructure. PKI, if you Google PKI itself, it will come, digital security thing. Okay. Then this plant and animals was a biological question. If you were not in from that background, you should have ideally skipped this question. So here we feel the answer is 1 and 3, but I have to do more research just to check whether anything complicated or anything hidden is there inside this. But because it's a very technical thing, okay, there is nothing where you have to apply brain, or because if you did not study, you cannot solve this. Okay, if you did not read, it's a very basic school level science question. This one, benzene pollution. So here again there are controversies going on, like it should be 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but we think the answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it should be there in tobacco also, it should be there in this varnished wood furniture also, so it should be there in all these things. So we'll again confirm, but we feel the answer now is D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If another global financial crisis happens in the near future, this one again, A and D is there in the confusion where teachers are talking and all these things. But again, we have to see whether the side effect of having more foreign banks and this capital full, we know like India, we have only the other one, okay, current account. We don't have capital account full convertibility. So here, if a crisis comes, if this will help or not, if we will get immunity or not, that is the question here. So here it looks like 1 only. But again, these 2 points, let me research some more and we'll tell you the confirmed one. This one again, leave it unchanged. It can be a possibility, but there are institutes and all these telling that it should be C. Okay, more than 1 lakh problem will come, or sorry, immediate effect on money supply will come. So this again, I told you, I think today 6 or 7 questions, 6 questions I think I have told that this controversy kind of thing. Same like that when I do 51 to 100 also, I will show you 3-4 questions which are like this. Okay, but mostly it will be factual. Environment questions are to be discussed, geography questions are to be discussed. So in the next video it will be, I think I can give you a correct key, okay, which is more surety. But here I hope this helped, okay, because just because you asked for an answer key, immediately I'm publishing this. Else I don't do this every year, okay. We don't do this kind of video. We do directly with proof, with explanation of every statement. So please wait for that video and the part 2 of this video. And any doubt, please tell in comment section. But please don't create an argument, okay. Everyone will have a different viewpoint, but it's okay. Exam was a little difficult for you because of the controversies and factual information, but just discuss. Please don't argue in the comment section, okay. So I'll come up with the next video soon, and please WhatsApp me if you are a beginner, because you have to start with the foundation videos, and I want you to clear in 2021 in case you don't make it this year, okay. So let's start from the scratch. So thank you and have a nice day.